guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sneha and I hope you all are doing great. As you can see, I am filming sitting beside my window. You can see here. I love to film in natural daylight. Sun is hitting me and I love how that looks. So yeah, and also colors and all अच्छे से दिखाई देता है in daylight. So it is also good filming like this. And also please ignore the noise that you're getting because हमेशा जहाँ पर भी हो ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता है कि वहाँ पे कंस्ट्रक्शन ना होता हो. So you know that right? We Mumbaikars are used to it. We are used to these sounds. So आज के वीडियो में I'm going to talk about lipstick. I want to give you all lipstick recommendations because festive season आने वाला है and everybody experiments with their looks and ये सारे lipsticks सब मेकअप लुक्स पे जाएगा. मैं हमेशा ये हर एक मेकअप लुक में यूज करती हूँ. सो डू नॉट मिस इट एंड या लेट्स नॉट वेस्ट एनी टाइम. में बहुत ज़्यादा ही बड़ा इंट्रो हो चुका है. सो या let's go. So the first lipstick that I'm going to show you all is from Maybelline's Maybelline New York Superstay Vinyl Ink. This has gone viral and for good reasons. Like if you love matte lipstick and if you love the gloss effect too, you will love these lipsticks. And these stays for a really long time. Like this will be stuck on your lips. I'm not kidding you. This is in the shade 40 Witty. I bought this from Nykaa and I will surely be mentioning the prices here or here somewhere. Because मैंने बहुत टाइम पहले लिया था and I don't know उसके prices अभी क्या चल रहे हैं और मैंने कौन से price में लिया भी था. So the prices will be mentioned here or in the description box below. So please do check it out and let's try this. So you basically have to shake it before using. The sun is hitting me so hard that I can't even see my screen. I love this shade. This shade would go on a really bold look as like how I'm wearing right now or even in like subtle look. This looks really good and the glosses are in these days, so do check this out. Very mauvish pink color. Pink usually goes with the Indian skin tone and इनमें जो भी सारे shades है in this range are really good and वो typically सारे skin tones पे जाते हैं. So if you like this color on me, do check it out. And now for the second lipstick that I'm going to recommend you guys is from MAC and this is in the shade Marrakesh Noir in the MAC from Powder Kiss lipstick, bullet lipsticks. So this is a very rusty nude shade. It has a little bit of orange tone to it, which I really love. I love anything nude with a little bit of orange in it. I don't know, it complements my skin and it also goes really well with the eye look, with bold eye looks. So yeah, let's swatch this on our hand first. Let's watch it. See, I love this lipstick and I wear it every day and this has a really good taste. This lipstick tastes really nice. मैं ऐसे खा जाती हूँ आधा तो. So yeah, love this. And the third lipstick I want to recommend you guys from NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. I love these. I love these. I love the formula of these lipsticks. This has been, you know, the most used lipsticks. I love this one, and I've always used these kind of lipsticks. Even Miss Claire had these with lot of different shades. Even I had those too back in the days. So I love this. I usually pair this up with a lip liner, dark brown lip liner. But I will show you guys just the lipstick. Let's watch this first. I usually do black smoky eyes or purple smoky eyes. So and वो दोनों में ये color बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. I like how it makes my lip look. So yeah. ऐसे थोड़ा सा maybe it washes me out, but with dark brown lip liner, this looks really warm, and I love how this looks. I love how this makes my lips look more like a fuller look. I love because obviously formula ये lipstick का बहुत अच्छा है. And shade मैं बताना ही भूल गई. The shade is Leon, and it just says Leon. मैं लिख दूँगी यहाँ पर. This is a very good lipstick. More than that, the formula of this lipstick is really nice. It glides on very easily and it is very comfortable on the lips. You can wear this and it feels nothing on the lips. So yeah, this is how it is. Second last lipstick here, which is like a bright red color. Actually, one time my friend gifted me this, and it was a long time ago, and she hooked on to me. She hooked me with this lipstick. It is from Nykaa and it is called Cleopatra. I love this red color on me. Like, I don't know what, but मेरे स्किन कलर पे ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. And usually reds do actually look really good on our Indian skin tone, but I don't know, there's something, you know, that is which I always go back to this red color. And even with bold lips, bold eyes, this red color looks really good. And obviously with nothing on, just this lipsticks also looks good on me. So yeah, let's watch it. This is how it looks on my hand. Very like deep red maroonish color. It has a little bit of purple undertone in it. My god, this looks really good. I need a mirror because red lipsticks, I just love this color. Oh my god. This formula is a little bit drying, so you have to apply lip balm before applying this, but anytime, like, I love how this looks. these lipsticks are like staple, okay? Like I, no matter what, I always go back to these lipsticks, and I've been using this for like 3-4 years now. Like that is how much I love these colors. All of it, all of them actually. There are even more जो खत्म हो चुके हैं मेरे पास, but whenever I will restock them, I will surely make a video on it. Part 2, maybe a part 2, but yeah, it's like the current favorite. I love how this looks. ये मेरे अंदर से ऐसा एक डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर ही निकालता है, so I love it. That lipstick stained my lips a little bit, but that usually happens with a red lipstick. Now for the last lipstick that I'm going to show you guys is from Mars. Matte Lip is from Mars, and it is in the shade Chocolate Delight, and it also has MRP written on it, which is just for $1.99. And I tell you guys, this is the best lipstick. I bought this from Amazon, and I love how this color looks on me. This is like my daily wear lipstick. I use this every single day. I'll show you how this looks. This is like a very mauvish brown color. I usually don't apply too much. I always dab it off. I remove the excess because मुझे, you know, lipstick onto the face इतना नहीं पसंद है. For daily basis, मैं हमेशा dab off करके निकाल देती हूँ. But still, on its own, it really looks great. I love how this looks, and I also use this sometimes on my lids, on my cheeks as a blush. So yeah, nice. It looks really good on sunlight too. I love it. So yeah, these are all the lipsticks that I have shown you, which are like my staples, and I love these colors. If you like some of these, do check it out. These are very amazing lipsticks which actually suit a lot of skin tones. So yeah, if you have been so far and you have liked my video, please do comment down below and let me know that. I would love to know that. And sorry again for the background noise. I will try to remove it, but yeah, like I had fun shooting this video, and I will surely be coming back. I will surely be coming up with a makeup look next time. सबको वही चाहिए था as per my Instagram poll. And here is the plugin. If you haven't followed me on my Instagram, here are all the details. So please do follow me there too. And yeah, that's all. Bye bye. We'll meet you in my next one. Bye bye.